Hello everyone, so let's see what is the today's problem is. The today's problem is we have to check that if it is a Pythagorean triplet or not. That means in the input there are three values, that is the three value of a triangle, and we have to find out that it's follow the it is a Pythagorean triplet means it is a Pythagorean triangle or not. We have to check. If it is a Pythagorean triangle, then we need to print the value true. If it is not, then we need to print the value false. So let's see what is the Pythagorean triangle means. Pythagorean triplet concept is a square plus b square is equal to c square. C square is here the hypotenuse. So in the input there are three values. One is 3, 4, 5. We need to find out between the three number which is the highest value. Here you can see this is the highest value. So this is the hypotenuse. So how I am telling that this is the hypotenuse? So let's check it. 3, 4, 5. Formula is a square plus b square should be c square. So let's check. 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 9 plus 16. This is 25. And 5 square is equal to 25. So here you can see a square plus b square, that is 25, and c square is 25. That means this is the hypotenuse. So if there are three numbers, then the biggest number between the three numbers is the hypotenuse. Let's now solve the question. Int a is equal to scn dot next int b is equal to scn dot next int, and int c is equal to scn dot next int. So I did here a mistake. So now I am assuming that the value of maximum is now a. So if the value of b is greater than maximum, also the value of b is greater than value of c, that means the maximum value is b. Now else if the value of c is greater than maximum and value of c also greater than value of b, then the maximum number will be c. Now if the maximum number equals to a, that means a is the hypotenuse. So print system.out.println b square plus c square equals to a square. Else if the maximum, else if maximum equals to b, that means system.out.println a multiplied by a plus c multiplied by c equals to b multiplied by b. Else copy this from here, paste it here, change the c to b and b to c. Now run the code. Now I hit on the run button. Here you can see the value is accepted. That means my code is right. Now submit the code and check if all the test cases are passed or not. Yes, all the test cases has passed. So this is the correct answer. Hope all of you enjoy this session and learn how to solve these questions. I will meet you in the next video with another question. Okay, bye.